Hello students, welcome to the next lecture of chemical kinetics. In this lecture, we have to see graphical determination of activation energy. In last lecture, we see the Arrhenius equation or consider the Arrhenius equation. Consider Arrhenius equation. Arrhenius equation is K is equal to A, capital A into e raised to minus EA upon RT, where EA is the activation energy and T is the temperature and K is the rate constant. If we take logarithm of both sides, taking logarithm of both sides. If we take logarithm of both sides, we have ln of k. Therefore, ln of k is equal to minus EA upon RT. A is plus ln of A. Equation number 1. By taking base 2 base 10, we have by taking base 10, by taking ln of or log of to the base in the ln, this base we have to take 10. Therefore, we have log to the base 10 k is equal to minus EA. If we take base 10, then there is a constant value which is 2.303 RT plus log to the base 10 A 2. If we write this equation in the form of y is equal to mx plus c, which is a straight line, therefore we write down this equation in the form of y is equal to m and x t. Therefore, minus E upon 2.303 r is a m and t is a x. And y is equal to mx plus c. This is the intercept of the straight line. If we plot this in Arrhenius equation as log to the base 10k versus 1 upon t, which is a straight line. See here, I have drawn the graph of this straight line in log to the base 10k versus 1 upon t. This is the variation of log to the base 10k with 1 upon t, which is a straight line. Therefore, from this I have to written this is the equation of straight line in the form of what? In the form of y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c, which is a straight line. If we plot the graph of log to the base 10k versus 1 upon t. In this Arrhenius equation, what? The slope of this straight line is m, which is a m is the slope of straight line, is a minus EA upon 2.303 upon r is a slope of the straight line. Y is equal to mx plus c, and intercept on y axis is log to the base 10 a, which is a c. Therefore, we concluded that slope of the straight line small m is equal to what? Minus EA activation energy upon 2. 2.303 r is a which having the value log to the base 10 a, and its intercept is what? Log to the base 10 a, log to the base 10. Therefore I write it as we concluded that if the temperature increases, rate of the reaction, that means K, rate of the reaction K, if the increase in temperature, rate of the reaction increases, rate of reaction also increases. From the graph we concluded that if the, we write down the Arrhenius equation, then we taking the logarithm of the Arrhenius equation, and then taking to the base 10, we have the equation in the form of y is equal to mx plus c, which is a straight line. If we plot the graph of log to the base 10k versus 1 upon t, which is the variation of k versus 1 upon t, we concluded that the straight line having the slope minus Ea upon 2.303 r, and intercept on y-axis is a log to the base 10 a. In this, from this graph we concluded that if the temperature increases, see here the temperature increases, log to the base 10k value also increases. Next point, we have to study the activation energies, different activation energy at different temperatures. Activation energy from Arrhenius equation, determination of activation energy. Next point we have to see determination of activation energy, which is denoted by Ea. This point we have to study activation energy at different temperature, and the rate constant also different. Therefore we have to write the two equations at different temperatures and having the rate of reaction K1 and K2. Therefore I write the rate of the reaction and rate of reactions K1 and K2 at temperature what? Different temperature. Therefore T1 and T2. I write down the equation in the form of log to the base 10 k. Therefore log to the base 10 k1 for log to the base 10 a minus Ea upon 2.303 r, and temperature T1. This is equation number 1. We write down it in the equation number 1. Next we have to write for rate of reaction at K2. Therefore log to the base 10 K2 is equal to log to the base 10 A as it is minus Ea constant term 2.303 r T2 at temperature T2. We write down equation number 2. If we subtract equation 2 from equation 1, subtracting equation 2 from 1, subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. Therefore we write down here, I write down, therefore log to the base 10 K2 minus log to the base 10 K1. Here if we subtract log to the base 10 A minus log to the log to the base 10 a term is cancelled. Therefore, I write down minus EA upon 2.303 RT2, and if we subtract T2 from T1, therefore minus sign gives positive. Therefore, plus EA upon 2.303 RT1. What? EA upon 2.303 R, which is a constant in both these two terms. Therefore, in bracket, I write down 1 upon T1 minus 1 upon T2. 1 upon T1 minus 1 upon T2. Yes. EA in bracket we have to solve this bracket having the base same. We solve this. If we solve this, taking base same to both sides, that means T1 and T2. Therefore, T2 minus T1. T2 goes to this side and T1 goes to this side. Therefore, T2 minus T1 upon T1 T2. T2 minus T1 upon T1 T2. I write down here as log to the base 10 K2 minus log to the base 10 K1 minus log to the base 10 K1 is equal to EA upon 2.303 R at T2 minus T1 upon T1 into. Yes, understood? Okay, we stop here.